Today we're going to be making some Faberge eggs. So you're going to want to start off with your eggs, and you can get large sized eggs or you can get small sized ones. And if you can get eggs that open up, that's even better, because Faberge eggs do tend to be opened up and have things inside, but I couldn't get my hand on them. So we're going to be doing some egg decorating in the Faberge style. To make it easier, I'm taking these off so that I can use the sticks for poking inside here and holding them so that I can paint and decorate it with ease. Next thing I'm doing to make it easier to paint is using a foam block and just popping the sticks inside there. So I'm painting my eggs in a nice ruby colour for one egg, and then a gold and a silver. That's because we want it to look a little bit expensive and royal. To make it quicker, you can also spray paint your eggs, because you're going to have to build up probably 2 layers for each egg, especially if you're using polystyrene eggs like me. To decorate the eggs, I've got a few things. So I've got some pearls, I've got some sticker gemstone embellishments, and then I've also got some bits and bobs like some hairbands with some nice jewels on there, and I brought some pins. And what I'm going to be doing with these is using pliers to just take off the flowers off the actual pins. And then some gemstones that look like diamonds, and I got these from Poundland. And then I will be doing the same with pins like this, just taking them off here using pliers, and then we're going to be using this for the stand for the eggs. And before I start using my glue gun, can we just appreciate the tag that I bought for it? I got this idea off one of my subscribers, so thank you so much. So now we have one egg all complete. I'm going to create the stand, and I'm using some legs from the pins. So I took off the heads with the pliers, as I did for these 2 here. And that left me with these. So I'm going to use these as the legs and the stand for the egg. I've poked in the stand inside the egg, and now I'm going to secure them in place by hot gluing. So we've got one of the eggs completed, and the stands are secured, and it's standing upright and not falling. So we are going to decorate the second egg. So for my second egg, I'm going to be using these pins, and again I'm going to be using the pliers just to take the pin off so that I've just got the jewel. Now I'm going to be taking this old necklace, and I'm going to put it around the middle of the egg and then cut with pliers to the size needed and stick it down with some hot glue. Next I'm taking this jewel off a hairband that I've got, and I've just opened that up with some pliers, and I've just pushed that into the styrofoam of the egg. again I'm taking off one of the embellishments of a hairband that I've got, and it's just this pearl here. Because this has got a hook, I won't need to hot glue it in either. So I've gone ahead and pushed that into the styrofoam, champagne sticky gems that I've got, and stuck 1, 2, 3. Next I'm taking 2 gold flower pins again and using the pliers to cut the pins off. Then I'm going to take my hot glue and stick 2, so 1 on either side. So again I'm taking off the heads of these to use these as stands. Here we go guys, the 2 finished Faberge eggs. Do you like them? What do you think of them? Do you prefer the gold? Do you prefer the silver? If you have enjoyed this DIY, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button.